the activity Smart Network at the Edge is an activity aiming to, let me say, turning into reality this vision. You're at the edge of the network, of a current traditional network, which is around the user. Imagine tomorrow you'll be able to transform anything, everything around the user, any object, into a communication entity, aware of the environment and somehow capable of providing you as a user a mean to access any services, and to a provider a mean to provide services. Think about the progresses that have been made in processing, storage and networking and embedded communication. Indeed, tomorrow there will be the chance of doing this, turning the edge into a fabric which will be the ideal environment for the exploitation of future ICT services. You may imagine, you may think that out of this complexity it will never be possible to provide services. But think about the nervous system, think about the brain. Out of the interaction of millions of billions of neurons, at the end of the day your body is controlled and intelligence emerges. So this is what, in a nutshell, we are doing in the activity Smart Network at the Edge. I think that ICT Lab is the ideal environment to nurture this activity. ICT Lab has the mission of turning Europe into a global leader in ICT. So for activities like Smart Network at the Edge, you may understand it's an ideal arena where you can meet researchers, you can meet managers, any expert in the context of the activities. And all of this will create the most effective environment to create a real exploitation of the results of the activity. I do believe that this kind of activity will produce an impact not only from the business viewpoint, but also a social impact. Think transforming anything around the user at the edge in a gate to access services, or for a provider to provide services. Think about transforming this object in communication entity which are able to sense the environment, to self-organize. Well, you see immediately that a huge number of new business opportunities will happen in this IT sector. Think about a manufacturer who is producing an object that is at the same time providing the user is buying this object with a gate to access a set of services. Not only the producer, the manufacturer can be in contact directly with the user when she's using the product. So I see a huge impact not only from a business viewpoint for the ICT ecosystems, but also for the user. Definitely, we are enhancing the environment where we are living. We are probably enhancing our perception, improving communication, and definitely the quality of life.